friends.
Don't forget being best friends. And, diba, always remember na ikaw dapat yung best friend ko.
Nakalimutan mo na ata. Hello, I'm Christine Hermosa Soto.
I'm Oyo Soto, and we've been married for 13 years and we have 5 kids.
We'll be sharing with you 5 things about our relationship.
With modern parenting. First and foremost, put God in the center.
Yes, correct.
Lagi yan.
God first.
Sa morning talaga.
Mga alone time.
We have our own quiet time. Saglit lang naman, mga 5 minutes.
Then,
Minsan less. We just read a word and then pray lang. We also teach our children to read in their devotionals, their Bible, to just pray.
pag marami akong gustong sabihin kay God, mahaba-haba. Hindi ako 5 minutes lang.
Panggabi na yun.
Buong araw. Second is communication. You should have better or good communication. For me kasi, when you communicate, you have to have the right tone when you speak to each other, because sometimes you mean well, but it's how you say it na nagmumukhang nagkakaroon ng conflict.
Yan yung usapan namin ni Tin minsan pagka, kunyari di ba pag binabasa mo yung text, syempre, iba yung pagkakabasa mo eh. So parang,
Depending on your mood.
galit ba to? So be careful with your tone and communication kasi nga gusto ko pinag-uusapan kagad. Siya naman, gusto niya medyo antay lang, diba? Dahan
Until
lang.
I'm ready.
Until I'm ready. So you respect each other, yung time nyo, di ba? Pero dapat communicate properly.
Communicate well.
Well, properly. Don't forget the friendship, di ba? Bago ikasal, dapat, di ba? Ganun naman kayo, nag-start kayo as best friends. So,
yeah, good friends.
don't forget being best friends. And, di ba? Always remember na ikaw dapat yung best friend ko.
Nakalimutan mo na ata.
We started as friends talaga eh. So, nag-meet kami sa set ng Ending Cabezote. That was 2004. And then, yun, dumire-diretso na siya, lumabas-labas na kami with group of friends hanggang sa, ayan, nagpakasal na, karoon na ng 5 kids. So, yung being best friends dapat hindi nawawala kasi parang pag tumatagal tayo, di ba, parang nagiging nagiging normal na lang eh. Katabi mo siya, pagising mo, doon na siya.
Sometimes duty na lang.
Parang, so
Or
dapat wag
routine.
yung kalimutan yung pagiging magkaibigan nyo. Do things together, di ba? Have fun together. Try together.
You should enjoy
Alam mo yun,
being
diba?
with each other.
So, makinig ka sa problema niya, makinig ka rin sa funny stories niya, sa mga sad stories niya, anything. Diba? Parang ganun yung best friend dapat eh. So, but, syempre, best friend na iba yung trato mo sa kanya. Syempre, wife mo yan, husband mo yan, diba? Kumbaga may iba yung level ng best friend na yon.
Relationship.
Yes.
Is no judgment. Well, for me, no judgment. Dapat yung husband mo or yung wife mo can openly talk to you about anything nang hindi mo agad tinitira. Yeah.
Para sa akin, isa rin to sa pinaka-importante. Forgiveness.
Yes, the most important thing. I forgive you. You know, you just need to decide to forgive the person, even when you don't feel like it. Kasi if aantahin mo pa na okay na kayo or okay yung moment and all that, it's not gonna happen. You just really have to decide to forgive the person.
Nauuna dapat yung forgiveness eh. Nauuna yung forgiveness, saka nyo pag-uusapan. Ang hirap kasi nung minsan pinag-uusapan muna pero walang forgiveness dun sa isa't isa. So it's better to forgive first, then you talk about it. For us,
Yeah. Para nare-resolve kasi magkaka-conflict lang kayo ulit. Thank you for watching!
This has been Oyo Soto
and Christine Hermosa Soto for Modern Parenting. Bye!